Hey guys, it's me again, Leo. Welcome to the channel. As you can see here, it is not a normal beer coaster, but it is rather a space fabric designed by NASA and made of metal 3D print. This space fabric is fantastic. It has the very good mechanical strength and conformal shape. You can print in different size and dimension and materials. This space fabric is excellent for scenarios where the material is extremely lacking, like space station, the outer space base. For those scenarios when your facility get damaged and you want to fix it, you will not have enough material in very specific shapes, and this space fabric will be very useful and flexible. This piece has very good features for space protections. More interestingly, we have used it for our own research in impact sensing in space. So the technique we use sensing is called the Triboelectric Nanogenerator. It's a coupling effect of a triboelectric effect and electrostatic induction. When a charged object approaching these sensors will generate electrical signals, actually it will be powerful enough to power LEDs. So it is a self-power techniques. That means you don't need a power source to generate the electrical signals. Please check out a paper published in ACS AMI. In the paper, we have developed a 4-channel impact sensing systems with microcontroller chips. Thank you guys for watching and support. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll keep up with good videos. Cheers.